Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. Here we are on the Ohio River. I see a barge. That's what I wanted to see when I got here. I got it. It's beautiful. Looks like concrete walls. It can't be. It would be too heavy. I haven't been down to this river in forever because I'm from Michigan. Truly exciting. It would be really cool to see a paddle boat, I'll tell you that. That's what I want to do next year. I want to get a paddle boat somewhere along the Ohio. We go all the way down to Louisiana on a paddle boat. That would be exciting. So hopefully that little trek works out for me next year. I'll be looking that up. They still have paddle boats. You know they have engines nowadays, but they still got a paddle working. Maybe it's got a casino in it. Okay, I got to see a barge this year. Mark it off my bucket list. Onto the paddle boat. And have a nice sunny day.